How to fix notifications on iPhone messages. So first things first is you have to make sure that you have actually set your system for example, your iPhone actually is reading your SIM here. As you can see, I have my SIM there. So it is connected. Now, if it's still there and there is still no notifications to your iPhone messages, what you can do next is to set it on to airplane mode to refresh the network. For example, you can wait up until 15 minutes, and after that you can turn that off and then check if you can now receive any notifications from your iPhone messages. Now, if it's still not working, you want to do next is to go to your here on settings and go to notifications. Now here, make sure that you have actually set your messages. You have allowed your messages here to you have allowed notifications to your messages. Make sure that you have turned that on, and if it's still not working, you can try and go to general here and go to date and time and set the exact time and set the current time. And basically that is how you fix your iPhone messages. Now, if it's still not working, you can try to restart your phone again or insert your SIM again. And basically, that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.